we are pleased that you are here. As you can be able to see, we were a number of advocates representing these residents of dabibi farm who occupies a parcel of land that they tell us is 1,500 acres. That parcel of 1,500 acres, according to them, is part of a bigger parcel of land of about 5,600 acres that is currently being fenced out and people being evicted in order that a land grabbing scheme may be completed. According to the accused person, the only reason why they have been charged in this matter is to ensure that the local community on the ground and the residents and their families will be unable to oppose the land grabbing scheme that is going on. To that effect, we have made several applications in court for site visit that my colleagues will talk something about it, together with the issue of the validity of the charges, because we believe that the company that they say is a complainant is actually a company that owns land away from them and is only being used here to pretend that it is a complainant, because the true complainant that has caused them all this grief, taken them all over Kenya in various remands, cannot be disclosed in the charge sheet. And therefore, pursuant to the rights of the accused person under Article 50, we have made the necessary applications that all this information be provided for. The Honorable Magistrate has kindly allowed that application, that this information be provided. And of course, some of the issues are issues that will be dealt with by the High Court. And he has done well to reduce the bond for those who are unable to raise it, I believe, to about Kenya shillings 20,000 cash pay, and we are all happy for that. I believe the rest of my colleagues, because I have another case in the High Court, will brief you in the other matter. But we are happy that this is a matter that affects the entire Gikuyu people. We are disappointed by some of the statements that are being made by the local leaders in Naivasha, abandoning their people and trying to say of our land that has been contested for more than 30 acres, they are betraying their people. It is in the light of that betrayal that we say as lawyers from Mount Kenya juries, Gema Wago, and all other individuals of goodwill that we are going to stand with the people who are being violated. The constitutions of Kenya, the Bill of Rights, will have to be taken seriously by all of us, which we do, and the rights of everybody will not be violated by Kenyan lawyers. And this is the mandate of every lawyer under the Law Society of Kenya Act. And that is why our emeritus chairman, president of the Law Society of Kenya, is here to repeat that very important issue, that the Bill of Rights is something that all of us as advocates swear to ensure that we defend. And it is with regard to that mandate that these people who cannot even afford lawyers, we are going to give them pro bono services so that they are not evicted from their homes through illegitimate police harassment and through illegal prosecution. These are things we used to see in the 1990s, but Mr. Jeremiah, Honorable Jeremiah Kioni is here. He will be able to tell us more about it, alongside the kind of work now that my learned colleague, Mr. Ndegwa, he's had to be running around all over Kenya, trying to stop very many little fires that are being lit over the violations of the rights of ordinary people. This is the return of Kenya to the dark days. We oppose it, but we shall do that through the necessary means provided in the constitutions of Kenya. Thank you very much.